On the occasion of the 152nd birth anniversary of the father of the Indian nation, Sri Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, we at Jamnabai Narsi School endeavor to bring to life his ideologies through a play, Bapu, the Everlasting Spirit. We seek to highlight that Gandhiji is so much more than an unforgettable historical figure. His philosophy is a way of life whose essence continues to hold relevance across space and time. Gandhiji was a man who walked his talk, and hence the effectiveness of his principles has been ratified by the most effective judge, time itself. Even today, Gandhiji's philosophy, if applied with sincerity and integrity, holds the key to the various myriad challenges that the world faces today, be it the glaring intolerance of every kind or the ever-increasing socio-economic disparities. Through our humble production, we seek to pay homage to Gandhiji's spectacular legacy by contextualizing Gandhiji's teachings in contemporary India and highlighting how they can be brought alive by each one of us.
On October 2nd, 1869, a child was born who would go on to shape the destiny of his motherland. He would grow into a man whose unique ideology would leave an indelible mark on the sands of time. Today, on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, we, the students of Jamnabai Narsi School, celebrate the father of the nation and all that he stood for. And what better way to pay tribute than by honoring his glorious legacy by understanding, analyzing, and applying his teachings to our lives. Embracing the linguistic diversity that Gandhi cherished so dearly, we present before you a multilingual play that explores the applicability of Gandhian thought in contemporary India. We hope that our endeavor succeeds in bringing to the fore the essence of Gandhi that lives on within each one of us.
It's finally Friday. So, what are your weekend plans?
I am going to Mount Tabu this weekend.
અરે વાહ, હું પણ મારા મામા સાથે સાપુતારા જવાનો છું.
Wow! I'm going to Panchgini. This will be so much of fun.
फिर तो मजा ही मजा.
એકદમ જ જલસો.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, miss.
Be seated. Today, in our history class, I'm going to show you an interview through a video clip.
Well, I think I would have to somewhat interpret Gandhi at this point. I don't think he was setting forth violence as an alternative. I think he was emphasizing, or rather trying to refute an all too prevalent fallacy. And that is that the persons who use the method of nonviolence are actually the weak persons who don't have the weapons of violence.
So, students, we know that Martin Luther King Jr. had fought a long, hard battle to ensure the integration of the African American community into the mainstream. And as we saw, he was deeply inspired by Gandhi's philosophies. We also know that former American President Barack Obama too finds his inspiration in the father of our nation and dedicates his achievements to Gandhi's teaching. Come on, students, note this down.
Miss, may I come in?
Hello there, Rehan. Have been expecting you. Aa jao andar. Students, please welcome Rehan, our newly admitted pupil. Rehan, please find a place and be seated. Diya here is our class representative and will definitely help you around.
Hi Rehan. Please, आओ हमारे साथ बैठ जाओ.
Thank you, students. We'll continue in our next class.
Thank you, miss.
Rehan, please come with me.
અરે તમે ક્લાસમાં નવા આવેલા છોકરાને જોયો?
Yeah, but he seems to be a little nervous. चलो उसके बारे में कुछ और पता करते हैं.
He's coming.
Hi. Sorry to bother y'all. मला टाइम टेबल द्याल का?
હા હા હું આપીશ ને. મારી પાસે એમ બી એક કોપી એક્સ્ટ્રા જ છે. I am Arjun. How was your first day at school?
It is really nice. Thank you. तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी मला खूप मदत केली. मला तुमच्या बरोबर कम्फर्टेबल वाटतं.
Hi Rehan, I am Neil. We would be really happy if you would come and join us. हमें बहुत अच्छा लगेगा अगर तुम ब्रेक में भी हमारे साथ ही रहोगे. चलो हम तुम्हें अपना स्कूल दिखाते हैं.
चला चला जाऊया. मला पण शाळा बघायला मजा येईल. That is really nice of you, Neil. Thanks a lot.
Don't worry. School is pretty easy to navigate once you have the hang of it. रेहान, तुमने बताया नहीं, तुम रहते कहाँ हो?
मी नेहरू नगरच्या एका चॉल सिस्टम मध्ये राहतो.
વાવ, that is so cool. તારા મમ્મી પપ્પા શું કરે છે?
माझी आई काम करते आणि माझे बाबा ड्रायव्हर आहेत. दोनों सुबह घर से जल्दी निकल जाते हैं.
તો પછી તારા જમવાનું શું? So who prepares food for you?
आई माझा टिफिन बनवते and also prepares नाश्ता for the evening क्योंकि रात को दोनों देर से आते हैं ना.
So who opens the door for you when you reach home after school?
Me myself I have the keys. I open the door. फिर अपना काम करता हूँ. तो मम्मी आती है तो उनके साथ किचन में मदद करता हूँ.
Wow, that sounds challenging. Don't you ever feel alone?
Alone in a chore system? Never. I go and play with my neighbors.
But what about the frequent power cuts?
Yes. Sometimes there is no electricity. So we sit outside on the street under the street lights to study. But it is a lot of fun when every child from the chawl does that together.
Wow, what fun.
We have exchanged so many ideas. तुम्हारा माहिती आहे का? One of them was to celebrate our 75th Independence Day. It went off really well.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, miss.
Sit down. In continuation to our previous class, we will be learning the 3 principles of Mahatma Gandhi.
Miss, what is that?
The 3 wise monkeys represent the principle see no evil, hear no evil and speak no evil.
अर्जुन, तुम कौन सा प्रिंसिपल फॉलो करते हो?
બસ બસ બહુ થયું. હવે મારી મજાક નહીં ઉડાવો.
Okay, now let's get back to studies. Students, I hope you are all aware of the SUPW visit that we'll be having soon. These are the consent forms that have to be duly filled and signed by your parents.
Miss, what is SUPW?
SUPW stands for Socially Useful Productive Work. We will be visiting a remote village in Maharashtra, Ralegarh Siddhi, to learn about the self-sufficient lifestyle of the villagers. आप लोगों को इस गांव के बारे में जानना चाहिए, as it is the same village that social activist Shri Anna Hazare hails from. You know who he is, right?
Yes, miss. એમને કોઈ કારણસર ભૂખ હડતાલ કરી હતી. વિરોધ કરવાની તેમની અહિંસા પદ્ધતિ મહાત્મા ગાંધીથી જ પ્રેરિત છે.
One of them being the anti-corruption strike that urged the government to enact the stringent anti-corruption law. If you ask me, it's the best way to stand against something rather than resorting to destructive means to prove your point.
Very well explained, Arjun and Diya. Yes, Rehan.
Miss, Mother native place is Raniganj Siddhi. We belong to a tribal community in the village there.
એ ગામમાં તો લોકો બધી વસ્તુઓ જાતે જ બનાવે છે ને.
Oh, that is wonderful, Rehan. Can you tell the class more about it?
Yes, miss. हमारा गांव आत्मनिर्भर गांव है. हम अपनी खादी अपने हाथों से बनाते हैं, जिसका यूज हम अपने कपड़े, चादर और कंबल बनाने के लिए करते हैं. My parents, when they were children, have learned to weave the khadi fabric and learned to make their own clothes. Everything from earthen utensils to bed sheets, it is made by the villagers alone. We even have an annual fair where we sell all homemade items made by our village.
Why is it that you only use khadi?
खादी एक नैसर्गिक फायबर आहे जे आपल्या इंडियन क्लायमेटसाठी योग्य आहे.
Yes, that is correct. Khadi as a fabric has trickled down to the fashion industry as well. With sustainable fashion being the need of the hour, khadi is a sustainable and durable fabric. It is a symbol of nationalism, equality, and self-reliance. We as Indians are always proud to wear it. What more can you tell us about your community, Rehan?
In tribal communities, there is no concept of land ownership. We always share everything. We follow the path of aparigraha.
What is aparigraha?
Aparigraha means non-possession and is one of the principles of Satyagraha. Gandhi ji too advocated this during Satyagraha.
What is Satyagraha?
The word Satya means truth and Agraha means polite insistence.
अच्छा, मुझे याद आया. The Dandi March was a part of the civil disobedience movement, where Gandhi ji used a peaceful means of protesting against the British Salt Act.
Yes, protesting against the British Salt Act was one of the first expressions of Satyagraha.
Oh my God, I don't have my AirPods. I told her to pack it for me.
That her? Who packed your bag?
Mom, of course.
क्यों? आप सब गांधी जी की आत्मनिर्भर होने वाली बात भूल गए हो क्या? साबरमती आश्रम में तो वे अपने सारे काम खुद करते थे और प्रार्थना भी करते थे.
Arjun, don't you remember? પોતાનું કામ જાતે કરો, પોતાનું કામ જાતે કરો, મમ્મી પર આધાર ન રાખો, મમ્મી પર આધાર ન રાખો, આત્મનિર્ભર બનો, આત્મનિર્ભર બનો.
We now pay homage to the father of the nation in his favorite hymn, Vaishnav Jan To Tene Kahiye, which means that a true human is one who feels the pain of others, removes misery, and is devoid of arrogance.
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे. वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे. पर दुखे उपकार करे तोए, पर दुखे उपकार करे तोए, मन अभिमान ना आने रे. वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे. वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए.
Miss, what is the meaning of this beautiful hymn?
A true human being does good for others and knows pain of others without letting pride enter his mind. Let us all try being good human beings.
सोन्याची पालखी चांदीचे घुंगरू तिला ग ज्ञानोबा चालले पंढरीला चला ग सोन्याची पालखी चांदीचे घुंगरू तिला ग ज्ञानोबा चालले पंढरीला चला ग पंढरपूरचे विठोबा माझे पिता ग पंढरपूरची रुक्मिणी माझी माता ग सोन्याची पालखी चांदीचे घुंगरू तिला ग ज्ञानोबा चालले पंढरीला चला ग.
This is a lot of effort. It's true when they say बहुत पापड़ बेलने पड़ते हैं.
यस दिया, हमारे गांव वाले बहुत मेहनती है. I really salute all the people who work hard for their living. Look at these wonderful papads, pickles and other food items they make which makes them self-sufficient.
યસ, તમને યાદ છે કે ગાંધીજી નાના નાના ઉદ્યોગોને પણ પ્રોત્સાહન આપતા હતા અને સ્વદેશી વસ્તુઓનો ઉપયોગ કરવા પર ભાર મૂકતા હતા. વોકલ ફોર લોકલ.
This SUPW project has really helped me see the hard work of these workers.
Yes, truly. Come, let's meet the Sarpanch of this village.
नमस्कार.
नमस्कार.
आपल्या सर्वांचे आमच्या गावात स्वागत आहे. तुम्ही सर्व आमच्या गावात आला, मला खूप आनंद झाला. तुम्ही सर्वांनी आमचे गाव पाहिलेत का?
हो.
मग कसे वाटले आमचे गाव?
छान है.
हाँ हाँ, हमारे बच्चों को तो आपका गांव बहुत पसंद आया. अब गांधी जी से प्रेरित होकर हमारे बच्चे आपको एक गीत सुनाना चाहते हैं.
हो हो, नक्कीच.
न केले हिंसा ज्याने अहिंसेचा भक्त तो एक महात्मा जगी आला आज तो उद्यानी तो गांधी बापू सवना बापू देश तणाए बापू नाना मोटा सवे कहता बापू ए तो बापू ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से जालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे माटी पुकारे देश पुकारे हो जा तू तैयार रे भले खड़ा हो कहीं अकेला पर ना हिम्मत हार रे वंदे में था दम वंदे मातरम वंदे में था दम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम.
भले खड़ा हो कहीं अकेला पर ना हिम्मत हार रे, बड़ा सत्य कथन है ये. Our Nobel Prize laureate Sri Rabindranath Tagore too was of the opinion that one alone can face challenges if the mind is without fear and the head is held high.
যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে তবে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে তবে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে যদি কেউ কথা না কয়, ওরে ওরে ও ভাগা কেউ কথা না কয়, যদি সবাই থাকে মুখ ফিরায় সবাই করে ভয়, যদি সবাই থাকে মুখ ফিরায় সবাই করে ভয়, তবে পরাণ খুলে, তবে পরাণ খুলে তুই মুখ ফুটে তোর মনের কথা একলা বলো রে, ও তুই মুখ ফুটে তোর মনের কথা একলা বলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে। जब काली घटा छाए ओरे हो रे ओ अंधेरा सच को निगल जाए, जब दुनिया सारी डर के आगे सर अपना झुकाए, जब दुनिया सारी डर के आगे सर अपना झुकाए, तू शोला बन जा, वो शोला बन जा जो खुद जल के जहां रोशन कर दे अकला जलो रे, जो खुद जल के जहां रोशन कर दे अकला जलो रे, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো।
सच ही है कि अकेले चलने पर भी लोग जुड़ते जाते हैं और कारवां बन जाता है।
We feel truly enlightened after coming to my village.
Yes. હું પોતાને નસીબદાર સમજું છું કે our school gave us this opportunity through SUPW. તમને ખબર છે 5500 વર્ષ પહેલા જ્યારે ધર્મની સ્થાપના કરવા માટે બંસીધર મોહને જન્મ લીધો હતો અને 162 વર્ષ પહેલા પરતંત્ર ભારતને સ્વતંત્ર કરવા માટે લાકડીદારી મોહનદાસ કરમચંદ ગાંધીએ જન્મ લીધો હતો.
I'm still in awe. I feel like Gandhiji is here with us because his values and his principles are within us.
Irrespective of any storm faced by India, her father Gandhiji brought her to safe shores through aparigraha, satyagraha, non-violence, truthfulness and self-reliance, thereby cleansing India and showing us the path to elevated consciousness.
चढ़ी अवनी અવની પરે વ્યાપ્યા તિમિર અનંત ભારત ભાગ્ય સુધારવા માટે ઉતરી આવ્યા સંત આંધી ચઢી અવની પરે વ્યાપ્યા તિમિર અનંત ભારત ભાગ્ય સુધારવા માટે ઉતરી આવ્યા સંત खादीला आपली ताकद बनवून सत्याग्रहाच्या मंत्राने लढत राहिला जीवनभर स्वातंत्र्याच्या ध्यासाने सत्य का वो आदि था सदा अहिंसावादी था लोगों के दिल में समाया था गांधी बापू कहलाया था सत्य का वो आदि था सदा अहिंसावादी था लोगों के दिल में समाया था गांधी बापू कहलाया था अपरिग्रही सत्याग्रही आत्मनिर्भर स्वच्छ भारतीय कहाँ मिलेंगे ऐसे गांधी जिन्हें कहेंगे उच्च मानवीय
So we are left with the question, where is Gandhi today? Not in Porbandar, not in Rajghat, not even in Sevagram. He is nowhere but everywhere. Gandhi the man lives on only in the golden pages of history, but Gandhi as a value system finds expression through each and every one of us, right here, right now.